Hey Brian, another one of your 43rd scale Road Champs trucks. Excuse me. This one's decaled as a Washington D.C. Metro fire and EMS vehicle. I said D.C. Metro, it may be Metropolitan, I don't know what they call this one anyway. Actually, this Washington D.C. Fire EMS. This one's set up just like your other one. I think I used 3 lights, or maybe just 2 lights in the light bar on this one. One of them I used 3, one of them I used 2, I can't really remember. LEDs in there, flashing headlights, grille strobe. Like I said, everything's going to be set up just like your other one. The only difference in these two, again, is the the decals and of course the color. This one does have 3 in the top light bar. I couldn't remember. So flashing headlights, grille strobes, again wired opposite of the light bar to give you a couple cool flash patterns with this. Rear beacons that you asked for on the back, which is where rear ones go on the back. Pretty smart, huh? And then just the basic flashing taillights on this one. So there you have it. Again, very basic build. But again, for the lack of detail on the trucks, they turn out pretty cool. Like I said, if you have them in a train layout or something, look pretty awesome. So, or just displayed on a shelf. But I think these are for trains that you're using. So there you have it, man. Appreciate it.